Hi, I'm Sarah Haverstick, Safety Advocate for Evenflo. Congratulations on your new All4One or All4One DLX 4-in-1 car seat. You've made a savvy investment because the All4One is going to grow with your child for the next decade. I want to show you how to install your new seat in rear-facing harness mode with lower anchors. This mode is for young children weighing 4 to 40 pounds, measuring 17 to 40 inches tall. Ready to install rear-facing? Let's get started. Before you begin, you'll need to review the instruction manual, which is tucked behind the harness system out of the box. After reviewing the instruction manual and all of the labels on the side of the car seat, you'll want to put the instruction manual in storage behind the headrest for future reference. Pull out the recline handle and tilt the car seat back to one of the 4 rear-facing positions. Place the All4One on the vehicle seat facing the rear of your car. Make sure the bottom of your car seat sits flat on your vehicle seat. Check the recline angle indicator. The notches should be positioned in the correct zone for your child's size. Detach each lower anchor connector from the side of the car seat. Make sure each lower anchor connector is oriented in the correct direction, and attach each connector to the corresponding anchor bar in the vehicle. The larger EasyClick connector can be positioned on either side of the car seat. Make your installation even easier by positioning it on the side closest to the vehicle door. To tighten the car seat, fold out the handle of the EasyClick connector and move the handle back and forth. You will see and feel the car seat getting tighter. When you are finished tightening the car seat, fold the EasyClick handle back into position. To check the car seat for tightness, grab the seat at the belt path, which is where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. It is important to check for movement right where you have the car seat installed. For rear facing, that will be near your child's feet and not at their head. Double check your recline indicator to make sure you are in the correct zone for use. I've covered the essentials, but if you still have questions, I encourage you to reach out to Evenflo's ParentLink customer service. As an Evenflo car seat owner, real-time chat support and free live video installation guidance are yours for the asking. Look for ParentLink at evenflo.com.